Can you guys see this soap? Can you see the face of this soap? Can you see how fruity it is? Can you see how radiant it is looking? And that is how it will make your skin very succulent. If you have orishi pigmentation on your skin, are you battling with pimples, with rashes, with all these white patches, eczema, and all of that skin irritation? If you have those yama on your skin, see, this soap is good for you. Just make it and start using it at your convenience, and you can also make money while selling this soap if you don't mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Okay guys, today is another vibe of video. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about African black soap. In the comment section, I've read a lot of messages of you guys asking me what skincare products am I using. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my black soap, how I mix everything together, every goodies to make a whitening, a lightening, a skin repair, a glowing, everything your skin needed to be glowing, to be radiant, and to be pigmentation free is in this soap. All right, you can also make money selling this soap. You can make this soap in batches when you know how to make it, and start uploading it on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram page, on your Facebook, and small kere. You are starting a business, you are a business owner. You can actually make money while selling this black soap, this fruity black soap. Like, you don't want to miss this video, okay? Just stay tuned, watch this video from start to finish, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video. After using this soap, you are going to come back and thank me later. All right, can you see my hand? You see it is knuckle free. I don't have dark knuckles, and this is what I've been using. Without further say or do, let's get right into the video. These are the ingredients I'm going to be working with. As you can see, this soap, it is looking so lush already, and this is the outcome of the soap. If you want to buy any ingredient of this soap, do well to check the description box below. So guys, if you are battling with skin rashes, hyperpigmentation, white patches, any skin irritation at all, make sure you get all the ingredients I used for this soap, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. All right, and you can also make money while selling this soap. If you can make it like this, all you need to do is to get containers, package your soap, and start uploading on your WhatsApp status, Instagram and Facebook. And trust me, small, you have become a business owner. Like, what? You can see my skin, right? You can see my skin is actually popping, like popping. Okay, so that is how this soap will make your skin very succulent, very popping. You know, your skin will be shiny. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video and you like my content, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.